morning, class. Hi, it's Karen from Karen's English Classroom. Welcome. Today, class, we are going to learn about verbs. Two types of verbs we're going to learn about today are regular, past tense, you add ed, and irregular, past tense, you're going to change it, okay? Now remember, class, all verbs show action. You're doing something. You're running, you're walking, you're jumping, okay? So you're doing some action. Okay, so you're doing something, okay? Now, when we talk about regular verbs, and remember, these are all past, okay, past tense, okay? So yesterday, last week, last night, these are things that happened in the past. Okay, so we're going to practice some of these verbs. The first one, we add ed, okay? That's all we do to the regular verbs. The regular past tense verbs, we add ed. Okay, so if my verb is walk, okay, so walk, all right, all I do is add ed. Now it's walked. But you notice my pronunciation is not walked, no. It is not walked, no. The pronunciation is walked. So I'm going to write down the pronunciation. Walked. Okay? Walked. Okay? So you have walk plus T, walked. But spelling ed. I know English is a little crazy, but that is how the pronunciation is. It's not walked, no. It is walked. I walked to the store yesterday. I walked to Walmart last week. I walked my dog on Monday. Okay, so these are all things in the past. Pronunciation T, walk, present. Okay, so this is present. Okay, these are past. Okay, add ed, but pronunciation walked. Okay, now jump. Okay, jump. Okay, so present, jump. Now, past, we're going to add ed, jumped. Jump. Pronunciation T, jumped. It is not jumped. No jumped. Jumped. Okay, so walked, jumped. Okay, let's look at kick. We kick the ball. We're playing soccer, right? So we kick, all right, with our foot, kick. All right, so kick is the action, the verb present. Past tense is kicked. Okay, ed, kicked. K-I-C-K-T. Kicked. It's not kicked, no. No kicked. Kicked. Okay, very good. Now, travel. Okay, we've got present tense, travel. Okay, travel is like a vacation. Travel. I travel to Mexico. I travel to Hawaii. I travel to Cancun. I travel to San Diego. I travel to Las Vegas, okay? It's in action. You're going somewhere. Travel. Now, this is a little different because this you add ed. Pronunciation is no T. It's traveled. Okay, so traveled. Okay, traveled. Okay, so the ending sound is D. Traveled. Okay, traveled. I traveled to Mexico last year. I traveled to San Diego last year. I traveled to Las Vegas last year, okay? So traveled, pronunciation D. Okay, punch, punch, okay? Punch, punch. It's an action. You're showing action for something. Okay, so punch. Okay, now this one is T, punched, punched. Okay, punched, punched, punched. Now I know, class, it's also a drink. You know, you drink punch, red punch. Okay, so something at a party or a wedding, different, different. This is action, punch, punch. Someone punches you in the face, okay, punch. Past tense, you add ed. Punched, punched, con T, with T, okay? So punched, all right? I punched, okay? I punched him in the face. Don't do that, but example, okay? Punched. Okay, let's look at talk, talk. So talk, 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 talk. The teacher talks, talk, 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 right? Okay, so talk is the action, talk, talk. Okay, now past tense, talked. The teacher talked to me yesterday. The teacher talked to me last week. The teacher talked to me about a situation or a problem. Talked, talked. Okay, so T-A-L-K, talk, with T. Pronunciation T, talked, talked. It is not talked. I hear talked, but no, it's wrong. It is talked, not talked, no talked, okay? All right, so present verbs continue. Stretch, stretch. Stretch, okay? We stretch, we exercise, okay? Before we go to the gym, before we go on a bike ride, we stretch. Get out of bed, stretch. Okay, so that's the action, action. Now, stretched, stretched. Okay, so another E, another T, ED, but pronunciation T. Okay, so I stretched, stretched. I stretched before I went to the gym, stretched. Okay, so we're going to write stretched, S-T-R-E-T-C-H, but the pronunciation T, stretched, stretched. Pronunciation T, no stretched, no stretched, stretched, stretched. Okay, very good, class. Okay, so let's review. So we have regular verbs, we have present, okay? These are all present. Okay, now, today, I walk to school every day. Okay, now, walked, okay, remember pronunciation? I walked to school yesterday. Okay, jump, jump, all right? I jump in my gymnastics class. I jumped in my gymnastics class yesterday. Jumped. Kick, kick. I kick the ball every day. Okay? I kicked, excuse me, kicked the ball yesterday. Travel, travel. I travel every day. I traveled last week. Traveled, okay, D. Punch, punch, okay? I punch, okay? I punch for exercise every day. I punched the bag, okay? There's a bag and you punch it, right? I punched the bag yesterday. Okay, talk, talk. Blah, 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 blah. I talk every day. Present, talk. I talk every day. I talked, talked. I talked to you yesterday. Past tense, talked with T. Stretch, stretch. I stretch every day. I stretch every day. Okay? Present tense, stretch. Okay? I stretched yesterday. Stretched yesterday. Good job, class. Okay, so we'll review those in a moment. I want to go over here to the irregular verbs. Now, irregular are just different. You change it. This one, all you do is add ed. Okay? This one, you have to change it completely. Okay? So if you look at it, speak. All right? Speak. We write spoke. Okay? Spoke. So speak and spoke. Fix this. My E got erased. Okay, so speak. I speak to you every day. Speak. And spoke. Spoke. All right, spoke. Spoke. Long O. Spoke. Spoke. Okay, say. I say my prayers every day. I said them yesterday. Okay? Say and then said. Said, said, said. Okay? Said, said. Okay, sleep, sleep. All right? Sleep. Okay? I sleep every day. Okay? Present tense. Remember, these are present. Let me write that down. Make sure we don't forget. Okay? Sleep. I sleep every day. I slept last night. Slept. So slept. Okay, so it's kind of an EA. Okay? Not exact, but kind of sounds like that. Teach. I teach every day. I taught, long A, taught. Okay, taught. Okay, I taught yesterday. So I teach every day. I taught yesterday. Okay, shake. Okay, so shake hands. Okay, shake hands. Okay, I shake hands every day. Hello, nice to meet you. I shook the boss's hand yesterday. Shook. Okay, shook. Sell. Okay, maybe you're in real estate. I sell houses every day. Okay? Or I sell clothing every day. I sell food every day. Okay, so sell. I sell hamburgers every day. Okay, so whatever it is, it doesn't matter. And then sold. Okay, so sell, present, sold, past. Okay, so remember, these are all past. Even though they're irregular, they're still past tense. Okay, so sold. And remember, sold. It's a long A, sold. So I could say I sold a house yesterday. I sold a house last month. Okay? And then the last one we have buy. Okay? I buy food every week. Okay? Maybe you buy clothes. Okay? Buy. Okay? And past tense, bought. Long A, bought. Like a sheep. Bought. Okay, so bought. I bought a shirt last week. I bought. Okay, so buy, present, bought, like the sheep, bought, or the goat. Is it a sheep or a goat? I guess either one. Okay, so bought. Very good. All right, excellent, class. So let's practice one more time. Okay, we'll review together. All right, so remember, we've got the verbs, okay, verbs, and verbs show action, okay? So verbs show action, okay? You're doing something, you're moving, you're showing action. Okay, so let's practice. Let me get my little pointer here. Okay, so regular verbs, you add ed. Add ed. Okay, so walk. Okay, repeat after me. Walk. Walk. Walked. Walked. Jump. Jump. Jumped. Jumped. Kick. Kick. Kicked. Kicked. Travel. Travel. Traveled. Traveled. Punch. Punch. Punched. Punched. Talk. Talk. Talked. Talked. Stretch. Stretch. Stretched. Stretched. All right, excellent class. So regular, add ed, pronunciation in black, okay? Present, past, add ed, pronunciation in black. Pronunciation. Okay, very good. Okay, let's go over to the irregulars. Remember, irregular verbs, change it. It's different, completely different, okay? So change it. Present right here, okay? Past here, and then I wrote some sort of pronunciation. I hope that helps you, okay? So let's practice, and I want you to repeat after me. Speak. Speak. Spoke. Spoke. Say. Say. Said. Said. Sleep. Sleep. Slept. Slept. Teach. Teach. Taught. Taught. Shake. Shake. Shook. Shook. Sell. Sell. Sold. Sold. Buy. Buy. Bought. Bought. All right, excellent class. Very good. Excellent, excellent. Okay, I'm so glad you joined me today. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel, and then I will really work on putting a lot of extra videos up so you can practice and we can learn a lot of English together. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye, everyone.